Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to enable Folx extension in Chrome. So in order to turn your download experience into something more comfortable, let us navigate to the websites. So you go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, open up Chrome Web Store, and in here search for Folx. Press on that, and as you can see, add the downloads directly to Folx app with a right click of a mouse. Open that. And in order to add it to your Chrome browser, just type in Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And as you can see, now it's added. And for your convenience, you can also go here once again to Extensions, and then just pin this new extension, the Folx, into the extensions bar. So as you can see, we have Folx here. Press on Pin, and now it's pinned. You can open it up and use it at any time. Enjoy the video, guys. Like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions or something to say, and thank you for watching.